Yes.
Like playing football. What's your favorite team?
Arsenal is my team.
Arsenal.
Yeah. Mimi ni mtu wa Arsenal. Unajua yule mtu anatuletenga kisirani. Ni Tinga kwa sababu ni mtu wa Arsenal. Sasa ndio tunashinda. All the time. Wewe nilete fimbo yangu. Niko na fimbo ya kuchunga ng'ombe.
Nasikia kuna ng'ombe, kuna mahindi unapenda sana, kuna mboga unapenda sana. Nini ingine unatarajia kupanda in future?
No, hiyo. Because you know my farm is not that big.
Okay. And excellent. There's a rumor that goes around that anything that you take comes from your farm.
No. Like here, of course here, everything is from the farm. Habari? Hizi ndio ile. Wapi fimbo yangu wewe? This fimbo I was given by some people. Huko nini? Ni ya kuchunga ng'ombe. So I did something for them. It's about 18 years. Acha niwaonyeshe mahindi. Mahindi ndio hii. This is some of it. Yeah, this is some of it. Na hii ni ya hii ni ya kusiaga kwa ng'ombe na ya watu kula. We do the nini here. Na ya poultry.
Okay.
Na ya kuku. You can't just grow maize alone because you need a bit of diversity. That's why you see I have done, of course I have maize, which you have seen, yeah. But I have done also bananas. I have some mangoes. I have avocado there. What is it called? What? I have beehives here, about 100. I have chicken. So you have to create diversity so that you have alternative sources. Alternative sources of livelihood. Kuna ile imekaribia? Bado so we don't have any that is almost ready. Hii leaves ng'ombe inakula saa zingine ama wamekataa? Na hiyo raia ukiwapatia wanaenda kula?
Hati zako zina maringo.
Nini inaendelea hapa? So mnataka kuload? Yeah. This is the hatchery. So they are put there for 18 days. Yes. And then they are put here for 3 days and then they hatch.
Naona unapenda pia miti.
Hizi yote mimi nimepanda. When I bought this farm, there were only 3 trees. I have planted 150,000.
All around?
Yes.
Here?
Here.
As we speak?
Every tree you see here,
yes,
I planted. Every tree. That is why, yes, when we were quarreling with Tinga over Mao,
yes,
I was saying, I have been to Tinga's place. He has not planted a single tree. Why is he harassing us in Mao? The rest of us, come to our homes, you will see. It is not that we know what nature is all about.
Yes.
Yeah, and we know that it is good to have trees. And we actually practice it. And we are not doing this for politics. We are doing it because we know it is the right thing to do. So this is for the cuckoos.
And how is the market here? Yeah, cuckoo.
There is the market is beyond us. 10 times. We got this from India.
India?
Yeah.
Which day?
The chicken. So it is quite a show.
It is. It is. How many are these? If you estimate?
About 5,000.
5,000 of them.
Inaingizwa and then it is taken this way. Tunaona pale sasa kama yule anakunywa maji. They just they know where to get the water from. Haya. No, it's okay. Kuna shida. Sasa historia yenu imeishia hapo.
Now we know Ruto the farmer. We don't know Ruto the deputy president.
Mtaenda ng'ombe iko pale.
Oh, hata mimi nimepata hiyo. Okay. Bas, no? You got that?
Watuletee, wewe, mwambie watuletee chai tukunywe hapa. Sasa hii kamera yenu tutoe.
Toa huyo. Huyo tumemaliza kazi yake sasa.
Niko mahindi hapa.